Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the blank or invisible name on Steam. Alright, as you can see here, I don't have a name in here. And as you can see here are my listed names before. How did I make this happen? For example, here I'm going to go ahead and edit my profile. For example, my name, real name is my name. And I'm going to hit on save right here at the bottom. Alright, and as you can see here, when I go to my profile, it has a name now. So what you're going to do to get the blank or invisible name is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and paste this link right here. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description, which is from Pastebin. All right, hit enter. Now what you're going to do here is go to this one right here, the first one, and hit on download. All right, download page will pop up. Just go ahead and save it on your desktop so you can easily locate it later. Save. As you can see here, the download is done. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now, what we're going to do with this blank text right here is just on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus A simultaneously. All right. Once done, just hit on the right click button of your mouse. Then hit on copy. Again, Ctrl plus A, then right click, copy. Once done, minimize this one. Go to your profile and edit. Delete this one, right click, hit on paste, delete, right click, hit on paste. Once done, scroll down and hit on save. All right, after that, just go back to your profile and your name is now gone. That's basically it. Again, if you want to change it, just go ahead and go to edit profile and add a name right here and hit on save. That is it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.